So a lot of people are misled with outdated tutorials. Here's the right way to find your GCash referral code or the reason why you can't find it. First, open your GCash app and make sure you're logged in. Normally, you'd tap your profile icon and look for refer friends or invite friends. But if you don't see it, just like me, it looks like the option is now gone. That's probably because GCash removed or moved the referral code. So for now, the easiest way is to check any old emails or SMS from GCash. Or you can contact GCash support directly in the app to get your code. That's it. There's really no easier way to do it just by asking them yourself. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.